Hey everyone, it's Kirstie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my fall tablescape. This would be such a great one to use for a Thanksgiving lunch or dinner because I was really inspired by the harvest this year. I definitely could have gone more over the top with this one, but I decided to go with a more simplistic look because here on my channel, I love to inspire you, my audience, my YouTube family, to decorate your own homes and be inspired to recreate these looks. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video today and welcome to my little YouTube channel. My name is Kirstie. I am a home decorating enthusiast with interior design training, and I make videos all about home decorating, DIY, home tours, as well as simple tips and tricks videos. I also make vlogs sometimes, so if you're interested in seeing more, I would love if you could hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. Now, let me show you this fall tablescape and how I put it together. I'm beginning this year's fall tablescape using this autumn garland. I picked this up from Amazon, and if it's still available, I will link it in the description box below. Actually, this is two garlands, they're intertwined here, and I'm just placing them in a figure S shape and then fluffing out the branches until I'm happy with the look. You can see that I really play around with the placement and getting the branches to sit the way I want. I spent probably a good 5 minutes or so doing this. And I find that the more time you spend doing this, just like with a Christmas tree, the better it looks. Next, I'm placing these pillar candles in amongst the garland. And like I said, I'm going simplistic this year. I'm not using lanterns or hurricane vases or anything like that. I'm just simply placing the pillar candles in amongst the garland, and then you'll see here that I'm looping the garland over each one to make sure that each candle is surrounded by leaves. Now, I've had these Mercury glass acorns for a couple of years now. I picked them up from Pier 1 on clearance in the winter that we first moved to America, and I have 4 of them and I just absolutely love them, and I'm including them in this tablescape by placing them throughout. And then I'm doing the exact same thing with these gorgeous mini pumpkins that we picked up from our pumpkin picking trip. I did vlog that, so if you'd like to see the footage, I will include the video in the cards above. The next step is to add placemats for each place setting. I love the rustic vibe of each of these, and I think the round shape is very practical as well because it doesn't encroach on other people's places at the table. You can see here that I needed to adjust the garland slightly to fit in around each placemat and each person's place setting. Next, I'm adding in chargers on top of each placemat, and then on top of the chargers, I will add my dinner plates. These are our, I guess, formal dinner plates. These are by the brand Noritake, and we absolutely love them. And then I'm not using napkin rings this year. I'm actually just going to fold the napkins in half lengthwise and then in half again. And then I'm just going to fold down the top around 1/3 of the napkin and place it on top of the dinner plate. And then to finish it off, I will add the accent plate on top of the napkin. If you have really pretty accent plates, this is a fantastic way to show them off. And so that my guests know where to sit, I'm adding these DIY place cards. If you'd like to see how to make these, I have a super quick 1-minute DIY video on my Instagram as well as on my Facebook page. So head on over there if you'd like to see that tutorial. I will leave the links in the description box below. And with the addition of silverware and glasses, this year's fall tablescape is complete. Thank you for watching my video today. I'm hoping you feel super inspired to create something beautiful for your table this season. If you enjoyed it, I would love if you could give me a thumbs up, and why not leave me a comment down below or share this with your friends to inspire them too. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.